truck's in four-wheel drive now, slipping and sliding all over the place. Saturday the 11th. Almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Down to the gas station, top off the truck before the next fuel increase. This is 109. Let's shut this light. Barely see the line. Well, here you can see it. Now you see it, now you don't. Everybody's going slower. Typically this road is 45. Frosty, you suck. Especially in this truck. Coming up on the Sandwich Town line. We're in Sandwich. Turn that fan down. Turn the radio on.
But she's gonna.
65 down the hill.
selection of radio stations.
XPS and select Alienware computers with Intel Core processors. Plus, check out exclusive savings on Dell monitors, headsets, and accessories for greater immersion in all you do. Upgrade today by calling 800 by.
Subluxations can happen at any age and cause problems if left unaddressed. Hundreds of families have been coming to Crossroads Chiropractic for over 22 years now to stay healthy. We've helped people with back pain, headaches, sciatica, neck pain, asthma, allergies, ear infections, digestive problems, and more. Of course, every spine is unique and results vary. Find out how chiropractic can help you. This month, a complete examination, including any necessary x-rays, is just $49 at Crossroads Chiropractic. With 3 locations, Pembroke, Meredith, and Epping. Call 575-9080. That's
33 degrees, it's kind of a...
Or go to crossroadschiropractic.com.
Winter in New England can get mighty cold.
Like greasy
We
snow
can't
right
change
now.
winter, but when the temperature drops, you can count on Irving Energy to keep your home warm and toasty with reliable deliveries and 24/7 service. Switch to Irving Energy this heating season and save 25 cents per gallon.
It's
when you fuel
$150
your
to
vehicle
fill
at
this
Irving
truck
gas
up
station.
from quarter tank.
24.
Limitations apply. Visit IrvingEnergy.com.
She's just selling a
Filled
box
up
of
a
cookies.
5-gallon
Like how she's
container with
just
the
learning to write
ethanol-free
code.
gasoline.
Just making that first
$5 a gallon.
Just picking up plastic on the beach. Just climbing a mountain. Building a robot. Lobbying Congress. Standing up for what she believes in. Just being a Girl Scout. She'll put you down for 2 boxes of Thin Mints then? Visit girlscoutcookies.org for cookies. Learn more about joining us at girlscouts.org.
Hi, I'm Debbie Childress, Director of the Grayson County Alliance, a food pantry in rural Kentucky. Thanks to a local farmer, we recently received a $2,500 donation from American Farmers Grow Communities, sponsored by the Monsanto Fund.
It's getting warm in this truck, boy.
As a result, we
Shut
expanded
that
a
off.
classroom where we teach families about nutrition and personal finance. I encourage all farmers to enroll for a chance to direct a $2,500 donation to a local nonprofit. Visit growcommunities.com.
Now at T-Mobile, you can get the incredible iPhone 13 on us on the network with more 5G bars in more places.
This is the year, Amelia. The year I become a famous influencer.
Oh, yeah? Why's that?
I just got the new iPhone 13 at T-Mobile. It has the most advanced dual camera ever on an iPhone. So my videos and photos are gonna look amazing. And check it out. I have 5G. Check it out here. Oh, I'll be able to post tons of content. Us influencers gotta stay fresh, you know? Nice. So where are you gonna learn to sing or dance or something? Better. Yodeling. Ooh, let's take up that hill and do a live stream. Yodeling. Good. Thanks.
Get into T-Mobile today, because when you switch, you can get the new iPhone 13 on us on every plan with eligible trade. All on T-Mobile's 5G network.
Can't get the
with more
mail.
5G bars in more places. Only at 24 monthly bill credit with qualifying line plus tax for well qualified customers. Contact us before canceling service.
Holy crap.
Finance agreements due. T-Mobile is America's largest 5G network. Details at
I don't
T-Mobile.
understand how the state allows a freaking state highway to get that bad. Fuck this guy.